Alright, so we're going to be showing you guys today, these are some rock lights that were sent to us to do some testing and R&D on. So we're going to be doing some videos showing you, how to install these, kind of like what we think of them. We'll kind of go over all the steps and wiring everything up. This is the instruction manual it does come with to tell you how to wire everything up. It does come with like 2 extension pieces here, and then here's the toggle switch right here with your power and ground, and it basically has a rocker switch on it. Relay here, power and ground here, goes into this, and it does have an connects right here, an extreme long harness that runs into this one that runs all the different rock lights. Now, we're not going to hook up all of them. It says an extreme long harness. We're going to put some up in here and show you what they look like. We're not going to hook up all of them. We're just going to do one well and show you guys what those look like. It does come with a lot of mounting hardware right here. Has these rubber grommet pieces right here where you can basically run the wire through down on here and then mount it with your 2 bolts. We're not going to mount it like that to this truck because this is not a truck that we want to drill holes in to do that with. So we're just going to mount them up there just to show you what they look like. But they do give you a bunch of these, and they give you a bunch of these rock lights as well. We're only going to hook up so many rock lights today, but they do at least give you these for each one of the rock lights that you have. So we're only going to hook up a few of them so far. Here's the hardware as well. Again, like I said, we're only going to hook up a few of them so we can show you what they look like, how bright they are, how they work with the RGBs, and kind of show you what they do. It does come with an extremely long harness with a lot of wires, so you're going to have to hide all those wires as well when you're running this. Right now we're going to wire these up in here, kind of show you what they'll look like. These are just going to be for cosmetic only, kind of show you, but I'm going to go ahead and flip this toggle switch right here. We got to connect it to my Milwaukee battery, kind of show you what it looks like. Boom! That's how bright they are. They are very, very bright. I will give them that. Now, the only thing I'm not quite understanding is, and I'm gonna have to message them and ask them, is on the instruction manual, it says on here they are white, amber, red, blue, green available. Does that mean you order white, you order green, you order all that? I thought that they were RGB, but I could be wrong. They could have just sent me white ones. Maybe that's what it is. I don't see anything on here to scan for RGB, so maybe I'm wrong on this. I'm not gonna look directly at them because they're bright. They're blinding me. And we have really big LED lights in here we cannot shut off. So these are bright. Now these are aiming at me too, so if we did these where they were aiming kind of down in here, it would be even brighter, but I just want to show you exactly how bright these are. These are extremely bright. Jesus, man. Wow, they are extremely bright. So I will give them that. All right, so that's what they look like now that they're out of here blinding the crap out of you. But it's very hard to tell because our lights are on in here. We have extremely bright lights in here, but we could take these outside. We'll pull the truck outside and stick them on there when we pull the truck outside and see what that looks like as well. Oh, we just lost another one. All right, here's a little better. We moved them to where they're aiming down. So I'll flip the toggle switch, kind of show you without, and then flip it again. There's what it is. I mean, these are bright, and our shop is extremely bright inside too, so you don't get the full effect, but it is extremely bright. Definitely does what it's supposed to do now. These are very nice. They're made out of metal. They're not plastic. The whole cast, it's like a cast metal. They are very nice and they are very bright. I will give them credit. The quality is really, really good. So I don't have anything bad to say so far about them at all, to be honest with you. So very good quality, very nice product. Hopefully the longevity of them will last. That's the biggest thing with a lot of these products, is you want to make sure that these are going to last once you install them on something. So all right, so we did this one out here so you can see it. This is, our shop is basically still right here, but it's a little darker area so you can see how bright these four are. So basically we just have four just stuck up there. This is without, and then this is with it on. So that shows you how bright all four of these are. And I'll kind of get back a little further and further so you can see exactly how bright these are. But I mean, they're pretty bright for four. I'll give them credit. They are definitely bright. My biggest concern would be the longevity. How long are these going to last? So they do look good. Jesus Christ, Beavis. So here's what it looks like on a car. If you want to show off how bad your tread is, this guy over here's got balloons in his tires and tread's bad. You can even put them in the wheel well of your car and show off how much mud and how bad your tread is. Look at this tread. Oh my God, he's got slicks on the front of this Accord.